Did you know that most diesel engine failures aren't caused by bad luck, but by totally avoidable mistakes drivers make every day? Yeah, your powerful diesel truck, van, or SUV might be headed for a costly breakdown, and you wouldn't even know it until it's too late. Today, I'm breaking down 4 silent killers that are quietly destroying your diesel engine and how you can stop them cold. Stick with me because mistake number 4? It's one that's wrecked engines and wallets across the country. If you drive diesel and like money, you'll want to hear this. Mistake 1. The fuel slip-up. Putting gasoline in a diesel engine. Sounds obvious, right? But if you switch between cars, it's easier than you think. And it's a $5,000 plus mistake. Gasoline strips away the lubrication diesel engines rely on. Metal parts grind, injectors clog, and boom, your engine's toast. Pro tip: always double-check the pump handle before fueling. 1 second of caution saves you thousands. Mistake 2. Skipping the warm-up. Diesel engines need glow plugs to preheat in cold weather. If you crank the key before the glow plug light turns off, you're shortening engine life with every cold start. It only takes a few extra seconds and pays off in longer-lasting parts and smoother mornings. Mistake 3. Dirty filters. Dirty consequences. Diesel fuel isn't clean. It attracts water and sludge like a magnet. That's why your diesel has multiple fuel filters. Ignore them and you're risking clogs, rough running, and even full-blown engine failure. Replace them on schedule. It's basic maintenance that protects your investment. Mistake 4. Delaying oil changes. Diesel oil gets dirty fast. Soot builds up, especially if you tow or idle a lot. Skip oil changes and you're inviting sludge, wear, and turbocharger damage. Follow your service interval, and if you work your engine hard, change it more often. If you're serious about making your diesel last 300,000 plus miles and keeping your money in your pocket, these habits are non-negotiable. Want to dive deeper into diesel maintenance? We've got videos coming that'll show you how to boost performance, save fuel, and avoid dealership traps. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because when your engine's on the line, knowledge is power. And power is freedom. Drive smart, save money, stay in control.